solution-oriented marketplace. Everything you ever need for body, hair, and face. Are you looking for improvement in health and beauty? Beauty, health, and happiness are our duty. Nutri4health, solution-oriented marketplace. For health and beauty in Nutri4health. Your time is today. We'll guide you along the way. For health and beauty in Nutri4health. We will find the solution to unlock the true you have inside. All without confusion. Everything's natural. We stand by your side. We will find the solution to unlock the true you have inside. All without confusion. Everything's natural. We stand by your side. Nutri4health. 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 We're a solution-oriented marketplace. Everything you'll ever need for body, hair, and face. Are you looking for improvement in health and beauty? Beauty, health, and happiness are our duty. We're a solution-oriented marketplace. Everything you'll ever need for body, hair, and face. Are you looking for improvement in your health and beauty? Beauty, health, and happiness are our duty. Looking for improvement in health and beauty? Beauty, health, and happiness are our duty. We're a solution-oriented marketplace. Everything you'll ever need for body, hair, and face. Are you looking for improvement in health and beauty? Beauty, health, and happiness are our duty. Nutri4health, solution-oriented marketplace. For health and beauty in Nutri4health. Your time is today. We'll guide you along the way. For health and beauty in Nutri4health. We will find the solution to unlock the true you have inside. All without confusion. Everything's natural. We stand by your side. We will find the solution to unlock the true you have inside. All without confusion. Everything's natural. We stand by your side. Nutri4health.